Hey everyone, want to create short videos in Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to make short AI videos for social media and creative projects step by step. First, open the Luma AI website and sign in to your account. Start a new video project using the AI video creation tools. Next, choose asterisk text to video asterisk or image to video, depending on how you want to create your short video. Now write a simple but detailed prompt describing your idea. Include the subject, action, background, camera movement, and visual style to guide the AI. Next, choose a short video format that works well for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Click Generate Asterisk and wait while Luma AI creates your video clip. Once your video is ready, preview the result and improve it by adjusting your prompt if you want different movements or visuals. Next, add finishing touches like captions, music, transitions, or branding using a video editing tool. Finally, export your short video and upload it to your preferred social media platform. And that's how to create short videos in Luma AI. With quick ideas and detailed prompts, you can create engaging AI videos in just a few steps. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.